While it is crucial to follow social distancing, external hygiene measures like washing hands frequently, using alcohol based sanitizers, wearing masks during this COVID pandemic, there is lots more to focus to prevent from getting infected and in case if infected in strongly supporting the body in regaining health. That's immunity. Unfortunately, while there is no magic pill or single trick to boost immunity, the good news is there are tried and true ways to take your immunity superpowers up a notch. Follow these three simple strategies to bolster your health and immunity. Abstain from the must don'ts. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Complement healthy lifestyle practices with some additional support. Abstain from the must don'ts. Avoid refined carbohydrates and processed foods, white sugar, refined vegetable oils, trans fat, processed meat, smoking, and alcohol because these tarnish immunity by increasing inflammation in the body and speeding up degenerative changes. Also, do not stock your freezer or pantry with nutrient poor food choices. Someone will have to eat them, and it will most likely be you. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Our first line of defense should be to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Following general good health guidelines is the single best step we can take towards naturally keeping our immune system strong and healthy. Eat a rainbow of wholesome seasonal fruits, vegetables, sprouts, and microgreens as part of balanced diet. Fruits, vegetables, sprouts, and microgreens are rich in micronutrients like vitamin A and C, minerals like zinc, quality proteins, and antioxidants that help decrease inflammation by combating unstable compounds called free radicals. Meanwhile, the fiber in the plant foods feed our gut microbiome or the community of healthy bacteria. A robust gut microbiome can improve our immunity and help keep harmful pathogens from entering our body. Eat more healthy fats. Healthy fats like those found in nuts and seeds are rich in vitamin E. Coconuts are rich in lauric acid. Omega-3s in fish, chia seeds, flax seeds are highly anti-inflammatory and will help naturally combat illnesses. Eat more fermented foods. Fermented foods like paranganni, that is fermented rice gruel, yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi are rich in beneficial bacteria called probiotics which flourish the network of gut bacteria which in turn help our immune cells differentiate between normal healthy cells and harmful invader organisms. Practice intermittent fasting or lemon juice fasting 1 day a week to reduce oxidative stress, improve autophagy, and improve immune homeostasis. Get enough sleep. You might have observed that we sleep more when we are sick. This is body's natural intelligence to allow our body's self-healing mechanism take a lead in fighting illnesses. Aim to get minimum 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Limit your screen time for an hour before bed as the blue light emitted from your phone, TV and computer may disrupt your circadian rhythm, your body's natural wake-sleep cycle. Hot foot immersions with cold compressed to head, deep breathing and pranayamas can help enhance sleep quality. Engage in moderate exercise. Regular moderate exercise like taking a walk, practicing yoga reduces inflammation and helps your immune cells regenerate regularly. It may contribute even more directly by promoting good circulation, which allows the cells and substances of immune system to move through the body freely and do their job efficiently. Stay hydrated. Hydration doesn't necessarily directly protect you from germs and viruses, but prevents dehydration, which otherwise cause headaches and can hinder our physical performance, digestion, skin, lung, and kidney functions. Drink at least 2 liters of water a day, and kindly note to reduce the water intake with food as it may hamper digestion. Handle stress in a positive way through meditation, yoga breathing exercises, listening to music, reading, or developing hobbies missed out during hectic work schedules. Power up your lungs. Make your lung functions better by practicing deep abdominal breathing, Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, and yogic kriyas like Kapalabhati, Bhastrika, which improve secretory IgA levels and salivary beta deficient 2 that confer mucosal immunity. Get some sun. Sunlight helps the body produce vitamin D, and there are vitamin D receptors and activating enzymes on the surfaces of all white blood cells, especially the T cells, that play a central role in harnessing immunity. Complement healthy lifestyle with additional support. Before I begin mentioning complementary measures, I would like to strongly bring to everyone's notice that these additional measures can only work well if we are taking religious efforts in maintaining good health and are not some immune boosting silver bullets. Cleanse your respiratory tract and nasal cavity by doing salt water or neem decoction water gargles, followed by steam inhalation. Nasal irrigation or Jalaneti with lukewarm saline water reduces nasal congestion, dryness, and airway reactivity. Including kashayam made of ginger, coriander, cinnamon, cloves, and turmeric with black pepper acts as an anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, and a good expectorant. Consuming licorice and ashwagandha powder, 1 teaspoon mixed in unprocessed honey, can also be used as a complementary method to enhance the immune status by increasing blood leukocyte count. The fight against coronavirus can be won only if each and every one of us take responsibilities of ourselves and be socially responsible too in taking necessary precautions, and most importantly, do not panic. Stay safe, stay healthy. अच्छे दिन बहुत ही जल्दी आएंगे.